Once again.
Hi guys, what's up, wagwan? So guys, we're on our way to Niagara Falls and I'm going to make a quick vlog, okay? And I'll show you all about it and the waterfalls. Yes. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Mwah. We are on our way to Niagara Falls, right Sonny?
Yes.
I hope we have a wonderful time guys, and I am so excited. I will make a vlog. I will share with you the beauty of the falls. Alright guys, I'm gonna drive so I can't talk much, so once I'm there I will hop on back and do a little chatting. Alright, say later Sonny. Later guys, pray for me on the way. Hope we reach safe. Alright, later. Hi guys, what's up, wagwan? So guys, we're here, we're at Niagara Falls and we rent this hotel. I forgot what it's called. I'll put the name up there somewhere guys. Say hi Sonny. And this is the hotel. The hotel room, yeah. And there it is over there guys. If I should rate this hotel, I would give it a 7 out of 10. But this is it guys, it's just for a rest area. We're gonna stay one night. Ooh, my hair popping. Say hi Sonny. There it is. Just 2 beds and you get a microwave, iron board, and you get some towels. And where's the light for the bathroom, Sonny? And there's the little bath area, shower.
You should look at the bathtub.
Well, the bathtub is nice. It's kind of nice in here. I like the bathroom. And this is me, guys. There, tucking my tummy. It's kind of nice. And this is it, guys. And let me show you a little bit outside. Simone is over there in that room, and this is the hotel. You can get it, I think it's Simone. And that's the view guys, and that's a fall right over there. Just right over there is a fall. We're gonna go there after we eat, and guys, I'll catch you later. And that's Simone. You see her? Yeah, that's her. Hi guys, so my vlog starts here. We're at Niagara Falls and I'm gonna show you around a little bit guys. And that's my friend over there. Alright guys, when I reach closer or closer to the fall, I'll show you some stuff.
Haru ¿qué hace ahí?
Haha, so cute.
Haru ¿qué hace ahí?
It's our haunted house, there's a someone? I don't know. But me see one wall pass up in it. We're close, guys. Oh, look, Sonny, you can buy here from the machine, guys. Oh, so cute. Woo! making noises, guys. Rah. here, guys. I'm going down to the falls soon. So see you later. Oh, I decided where you're going at one time. Huh? Monsters in there. So nice. They put lots of bright colors. What you gonna do? Tell me now. Let's sit down on the cars now. Come on. And then pour it nice for me. I want straight wood. Can't miss. Here's games, Simone. What's that one about? What's museum? Simone, it's such a nice day. Yes. Because it's not hot. One time I come here with Mercedes, oh God, sweater kill me.
Maybe I should like broad daylight.
No, yeah. No, my day is cool today.
Yeah.
It's a cooler day.
It's a perfect day.